Thank you for joining us to learn more about the Potrero Yard Modernization Project. This presentation includes information shared during our September 2023 Community Open House, recent Neighborhood Working Group meetings, and other public hearings. All information is current as of February 2024. For additional information and most recent project updates, please visit us at sfmta.com/Potrero Yard.
As a city-owned facility and in compliance with San Francisco's Art Enrichment Ordinance, 2% of the bus yard construction costs have been allocated by the SFMTA and PNC for the integration of public art into the facility. The Potrero Yard Modernization Project Public Art Program is being administered by the San Francisco Arts Commission, the city agency that champions the arts as essential to daily life by investing in a vibrant arts community, enlivening the urban environment, and shaping innovative cultural policy. The Arts Commission developed a public art project plan and project goals after a robust community engagement process that included a community survey, participation in several public meetings, and multiple presentations to the Potrero Yard Neighborhood Working Group. The goals of the public art for Potrero Yard are to 1. Celebrate the people, values, and history and diverse cultures of the Potrero Hill and Mission neighborhoods, and 2. Highlight the SFMTA's goal to promote environmental stewardship and provide reliable, safe, and affordable transportation for all. 3 significant public art opportunities have been identified for the new bus yard. The first is an architecturally integrated glass artwork on the bus ramp at mid-block on 17th Street, facing Franklin Square, and measuring approximately 11,000 square feet. The second is a large-scale tile artwork on a vertical building facade measuring approximately 3,000 square feet near the SFMTA employee entrance at the corner of 17th and Bryant Streets. And the third art opportunity is an architecturally integrated glass artwork on a multi-story stairwell measuring approximately 3,800 square feet located on Mariposa Street at the terminus of York Street, in between the bus entrance and exit locations. These are fantastic opportunities for established local artists who work in two-dimensional mediums, murals, painting, prints, photography, etc., to create meaningful and monumental permanent public artwork for the Potrero Hill and Mission neighborhoods and communities. The Arts Commission's request for qualifications was issued on October 21st, 2023, and closed on January 22nd, 2024. Artists or artist teams in the United States were eligible to respond to the RFQ. Recruitment focused on artists with a meaningful connection to San Francisco's Mission and Potrero Hill neighborhoods and/or the adjacent American Indian and Calle 24 Latino cultural districts. The artist review process is administered in accordance with Arts Commission policies and guidelines, which are available for review on SFAC's website at www.sfartscommission.org. Artist qualification and review panels, comprised of project and community stakeholders, review artist RFQ submissions and make recommendations for a short list of applicants deemed most qualified for the project opportunities. Finalists are invited to develop site-specific conceptual proposals in 2024. In mid-2024, the Arts Commission will review and approve the Artist Review Panel recommendations for the artists and proposals selected for each artwork opportunity. By fall 2024, the 3 commission-approved artists will be under contract with artwork design and construction documentation developed between fall 2024 and fall 2025, and artwork fabricated thereafter through late 2026. The installation of the artwork will be contingent on project construction schedule and progress, with completion anticipated by spring 2027. In addition to recommending artist finalists, the artist review panels will also conduct interviews of artist finalists and evaluate their site-specific conceptual proposals. The panel includes a diverse set of stakeholders, including an arts commissioner, 2 representatives from the SFMTA, 2 representatives from the Potrero Yard Neighborhood Working Group, a representative from the lead developer, PNC, and 3 arts professionals. Each member brings a unique perspective on how public art is integrated into the reimagined Potrero Yard. You are encouraged to stay involved in the public art selection process by signing up for the Arts Commission newsletter, listening to artist review panel meetings, and/or providing your feedback on artist conceptual design proposals. Thank you to all who shared the request for qualifications with artists in your communities. For more information on public art at Potrero Yard, please contact Senior Program Manager Jackie Fontresco at phone number 415-252-2225 or by email at jackie.fontresco@sfgov.org. That's JACKIE.VONTRESKOW@sfgov.org.